Hello all. In today's video, I am going to discuss about what is coding. Before that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel SAI TARUN Civilian. Coming to this video, what is coding? Coding is converting the human language into systems binary language, which by using some translator software. It is nothing but by using some programming language, we are writing the code and this code is converting into binary language. Coming to this process, there are so many programming languages available in the market to write code. Some of them are here. A person who writes code is known as coder. Some of the real-time examples of coding are here. Computer coding is used to program many apps, websites, and other technologies in day-to-day life. So here click on any website and right click on it. So it will show like this. Then click on inspect. This is the source code of Google and here we can see some lines of code. Now let's see types of code. There are four types of coding: source coding, channel coding, cryptographic coding, and line coding. Coming to source coding is nothing but to compress the source data into very smaller form. Channel coding is used for detecting errors and correction. Cryptographic coding is used for secure informations in presence of third parties. Coming to line coding, it is used for data transfer. Hence, it is also called as digital data moderator or digital data transmitter. Do you know which company has world's largest code base? If you know, comment below. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.